it's cooking time.
Grab your grown-up. Let's make akara with Mama Kweku. Step 1. Grab the ingredients. Beans, bell peppers, hot peppers if you want, onions, seasonings such as salt, seasoning cubes, and or crayfish. Step 2. Soak the beans. Oh my, we have to be patient.
FM, the best relaxing and uplifting music in the West
Soaking
African region.
makes the beans easier to peel and digest. Step 3. Wash the beans to remove the outer skin for a smooth texture. Step 4. Blend the beans with the vegetables. Step 5. Don't forget to season your batter and get the oil nice and hot. Grown-ups only. Step 6. Fry the akara batter. Again, grown-ups only. Step 7. Wait for it to cool down. Then enjoy. What will you do, Kweku? The Yellowstone is now available on Amazon. Join us on KAMIA Kids YouTube channel for more cooking time videos.